Hi everyone, welcome back Car Updater. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular MPVs in Asia, the all-new Toyota Innova 2025. Toyota has once again stepped up its game with the latest version of the Innova, bringing in a fresh design, modern features and better performance than ever before. So let's dive into what makes this car special. First of all, the design of the 2025 Innova is bold and modern, with sharp lines, a sleek front grille and stylish LED headlights that give it a premium look. The rear end also gets a new design with updated taillights and a sportier bumper. Overall, the car looks more dynamic and futuristic compared to the older models, and it definitely stands out on the road. Inside the cabin, Toyota has made big improvements in terms of space and comfort. The new Innova is built on a monocoque chassis, which means it offers a more car-like ride and better stability. It now comes with a more spacious interior, premium quality materials, and a completely redesigned dashboard. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and automatic climate control. The seats are more comfortable with better cushioning, and there's plenty of legroom for all three rows, making it ideal for families. Under the hood, the Toyota Innova 2025 comes with a hybrid powertrain option, which combines a petrol engine with an electric motor for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. This is a big step forward for Toyota, as more customers are looking for eco-friendly options. The engine is smooth and powerful enough to handle both city driving and long trips with ease, and the electric motor helps in saving fuel, especially during traffic stops and slow driving. Safety is also a top priority for Toyota in this model. The Innova 2025 comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. There are also 6 airbags, ABS with EBD traction control, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking and better awareness. The suspension setup has been tuned for comfort, so you get a smooth ride even on rough roads, and the steering feels light, which makes it easy to drive in the city. At the same time, it's stable at high speeds on the highway, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Another highlight is the boot space, which is quite generous even with all seats up, and when you fold the third row flat you get even more room for luggage, making it perfect for road trips or family outings. In terms of price, the Toyota Innova 2025 might be a bit higher than the previous model, but considering the features, design, and hybrid technology, it offers great value for money, and it continues to be a reliable and trusted choice for those who need a spacious and comfortable car. That's it for today's video. If you liked the review, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more car updates, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.